We are going to prepare the ultimate cheeseburger right here, right now. To make the burger sauce, combine 2 tablespoons mayonnaise with 1 teaspoon of ketchup and 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard. You also need leafy lettuce, thinly sliced tomatoes and thinly sliced onions, sweet pickle chips, 2 pieces American cheese, and 2 hamburger buns. Combine 1½ cup ground beef. Add 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 1/2 tablespoon brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 1/8 teaspoon ground black pepper. Mix in 1/2 teaspoon mayonnaise. Form the meat mixture into 2 patties. Brush liquid smoke on both sides of the burger patties. We are going to use a smokeless indoor countertop grill. We will grill the burger about 6 minutes on each side. Take note the safe cooking temperature to reach for any ground meat is 160 degrees Fahrenheit. What is the secret to an irresistibly delicious and juicy hamburger? It is in the quality and freshness of the meat. Use 80% lean to 20% fat ground beef chuck or ground beef sirloin. Just when the burger is about to get done, place a slice of cheese on top to melt. Place your hamburger buns cut side down on the grill and press lightly to toast the buns. Apply the burger sauce on both the bottom and top bun. Place the lettuce, add the pickle chips, place the burger, then the tomatoes, add the onions, then place another lettuce leaf, and then top it with the remaining half of the bun. Or better yet, stack your burger the way you like it. You love the convenience of preparing your favorite hamburger indoors, the way you want it, anytime, any season.